Let me be real with you for a moment. How many times have you promised yourself, tomorrow I'll wake up early? You set the alarm for 5 a.m., it rings, and your mind whispers, just 5 more minutes. Those 5 minutes turn into an hour, sometimes 2, and then the guilt hits you all day. Why am I so undisciplined? But listen carefully. You are not lazy. You're just using the wrong system. Today, I'm sharing 6 practical steps that will help you wake up at 4:30 a.m., even if you slept late, without forcing yourself. Let's begin. Step 1. Outsmart your alarm. Stop keeping your phone right next to your bed. Place it far enough that you must stand up to turn it off. That small movement is enough to break deep sleep. Now here's the twist. Rename your alarm. Instead of a normal tone, use a line or sound that reminds you why you're waking up. A powerful sentence, a motivational audio. Your brain needs a shock, not a lullaby. If using your phone feels risky, get a basic alarm clock. Less screen time, better sleep, win-win. Step 2. Control the night before you control the morning. Disciplined mornings are built at night. If your nights are chaotic, your mornings don't stand a chance. 30 minutes before sleep, switch off your phone, lower the lights, calm your environment. Then write one simple thing. What will I do first thing in the morning? This tells your brain there's a mission waiting. And even if you slept late, still wake up. Your body adjusts within a few days. That discomfort you feel, that's growth knocking. Step 3. The first 10 minutes decide everything. When the alarm goes off, don't scroll, don't check messages. Drink a full glass of water. Turn on the lights, move your body. Do a few jumps, stretches, or just walk around. Science is clear. Light, hydration, and movement signal your brain that it's time to be alert. These first 10 minutes decide whether your day feels powerful or pointless. Step 4. Give yourself a real reason to wake up. No one wakes up early just because an alarm rings. Your mind always asks, what's the point? You need something that pulls you out of bed, not pushes you. Training, reading, learning a skill, building something for your future. Write it down before sleeping. Tomorrow morning, I'll work on this. Your subconscious prepares overnight, so when you wake up, resistance is lower. Step 5. Miss once, never twice. Let's be honest, everyone slips. Missing one day doesn't make you weak. Missing 2 days creates a pattern. So here's the rule. Never miss twice. Even if yesterday failed, show up today, even for 10 minutes. Coming back matters more than perfection. Stick to this for 3 to 4 weeks and discipline starts running on autopilot. Step 6. Make early mornings feel rewarding. Your brain repeats what feels good, so after waking up early, give yourself something enjoyable. Good coffee, calm music, fresh air, sunrise. Early mornings shouldn't feel like punishment. I used to think waking up early was torture too, but the moment I paired it with peace and quiet, it became something I looked forward to. That single change transformed everything. Bonus: improve your sleep, don't cut it. Waking up at 4:30 doesn't mean sleeping less, it means sleeping smarter. Cool room, dim lights, phone off, fixed bedtime. And before sleeping, don't say, I have to wake up early. Say instead, I wake up early. Your brain responds better to certainty. One day, you'll notice something powerful. While the world sleeps, you're building your future. That's when you'll realize waking up early isn't just a habit, it's an unfair advantage. Quick summary. Keep your alarm away. Prepare the night before. Use water, light, and movement. Have a strong purpose. Don't miss twice. Reward your mornings and protect your sleep. Comment 4:30 a.m. Club if you're starting tomorrow, and share this with that friend who says every morning, just 5 more minutes.